Welcome everyone to another exciting video where we uncover hidden gems that steal your heart. Ever dreamed of a land where snow-capped peaks kiss cherry blossoms and neon dreams clash with whispering temples? That's Japan for you, a mesmerizing blend of wild nature, timeless traditions, and pulse-racing cities. If it's your first trip in 2026, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 12 must-see wonders that'll make you pack your bags right now. From secret hikes to floating gates that defy gravity. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly where to start your epic adventure. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list, the iconic Mount Fuji, Japan's crown jewel and the tallest peak at over 12,000 feet. This beauty isn't just for postcards. Imagine hiking its misty trails at dawn, breathing in crisp alpine air that feels like pure magic. But here's a twist. Skip the crowds and head to nearby Lake Kawaguchi for postcard-perfect reflections of Fuji in glassy waters. Rent a bike, snap endless pics, or just chill with a matcha latte overlooking the scene. Pro tip: catch the sunset glow. It's like the mountains on fire. But can a single lake outshine the peak? Let's find out what's next. Next up, Tokyo, where old souls meet tomorrow's vibe in the world's wildest city. Cross the insane scramble at Shibuya, dodging thousands like a real-life video game, then slip into Sensoji Temple's peaceful haze, incense swirling like ancient secrets. But wait for the twist. At night, Akihabara's electric glow turns it into a cyberpunk wonderland. Arcades buzzing, lights painting the sky. Feel the heartbeat of modern Japan, from street ramen to robot cafes. It's chaos you crave. Ever wondered how serenity hides in the storm? A green escape is coming right up. This one transports you to Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, just outside Kyoto, a towering green cathedral that's straight out of a fantasy novel. Stroll the creaky paths as sunlight filters through like golden spears, ears tuned to that soothing rustle. It's pure zen, but time it for early morning to dodge the photo mobs and feel like you're in a private fairy realm. Nearby monkey parks add a cheeky surprise. This is Japan's whisper of peace. But what if castles could float? Sneak peek coming right up. Behold Himeji Castle, the dazzling white egret soaring over Japan. This UNESCO star, one of just 12 original fortresses, dodged wars, quakes, and flames to stand tall with its graceful curves and moats. Wander the labyrinthine halls, imagining samurai tales, or picnic in the blooming gardens for a romantic twist. It's history you can touch. But valleys hold older secrets. Sneak peek coming right up. This one uncovers Kiso Valley in Nagano, a 70-kilometer ribbon of mountains hiding Japan's Edo-era soul. Trek the ancient Nakasendo Trail, popping into Narajuku's preserved inns where travelers once traded silk and stories. Hunt for hidden onsen baths steaming amid cedars. Ultimate unwind. It's like stepping into a woodblock print. But islands call with turquoise temptations. Dive in next? Sailing into Ishigaki Island, Okinawa's beach boss with powdery sands and coral reefs that glow like jewels. Snorkel with turtles, explore limestone caves dripping secrets, or hike to clifftop views that steal your breath. After sunset, hit the beachside izakayas for starry stargazing and fresh sashimi. Paradise with a party pulse. Who knew relaxation could rev you up? Deer await next. Welcome to Miyajima Island in Hiroshima. Hop a ferry to this UNESCO dream where wild deer bow for treats like cheeky hosts. But the real showstopper? Itsukushima Shrine's massive torii gate floating on tides, built in 1168 for gods and gazes. Time your visit for high tide. It's otherworldly. Twist: climb Mount Misen for panoramic paybacks. Sacred vibes that'll haunt your soul. What's a village frozen in prayer? Coming up, enter Shirakawa-go in Gifu, a UNESCO village of Gashozukuri farmhouses with prayer hand roofs defying time. Nestled in mountain hugs, it's rural Japan raw. Rice paddies whispering, streams giggling. Summer's lush greens beat winter's snow blanket for that alive emerald escape. Wander trails, taste local miso, feel centuries unfold. Peace like this is rare. Castles on islands next? Oh yes. This one sails to Shikoku, the underrated island gem packed with fortresses like Matsuyama Castle, a 3-story survivor from 1600s fires, towering with samurai swagger. Hike its slopes for city sea views that scream conquest. Pair it with a pilgrimage trail detour for spiritual side quests amid citrus groves. Heritage with heart, but volcanoes bubble adventure. Erupt into the next one? Ignite Mount Aso in Kyushu, a beast of a volcano with the world's largest caldera. Think rice fields ringed by rims from mega blasts of yore. Ropeway up to steaming craters for that raw earth pulse. If it's rumbling, pivot to horseback rides across green plains below. Thrill without the heat. Check alerts first, adventurers. Power that pulls you in. Forests hide Shogun gold next? This one crowns Nikko National Park, a misty mountain haven 2 hours from Tokyo, once Shogun playground. Toshogu Shrine dazzles with carved dragons and phoenixes, UNESCO gold from Tokugawa riches. Hike Kigan Falls for rainbow mists that refresh the soul. Fall foliage turns it into a fiery tapestry, colors that compete with Fuji. Imperial whispers everywhere. But our finale? An art island that redefines beauty. Final stop, Naoshima, Sato's creative heartbeat. Bike between pumpkin sculptures and sunlit museums that blend sea and sky. Yayoi Kusama's dots dance on hills, while underground galleries echo infinity. It's not just pretty, it's a mind-bending dialogue with nature. End your Japan jaunt here for that wow afterglow. Which wonder calls loudest to you? And that's your 12 must-see wonders of Japan 2026. From volcanic thrills to artful islands, each one's a story waiting for you. This revamped guide is packed with fresh tips for first-timers like you. Which spot's topping your list? Drop it in the comments, smash that like if you're inspired, and subscribe for more globe-trotting magic. Hit the bell. Next up, Hidden Europe. See you soon, wanderers.